Hello and welcome back to GT Racers. Today, finally, it is time. It is time to take the old original exhaust out and put in this Ragazzon with two 80mm tailpipes. Yeah, this will be very fun. Right now it's Sunday. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I have given my 4 kids dinner and I think I have a few hours to do this. I probably will have to do a few hours because, well, the garage is so cramped right now, and I will try to raise the car up in a safe way and, yeah, to do a quick and safe job with this. Well, there's nothing more to say. Let's just roll. Okay, finally I have jacked my car up on one side, as you can see, and I have secured 2 old winter tires underneath the wheels, just in case if something happens. I mean, this is pretty secure, as you can see. It's standing steady, and I will not be so crazy underneath it, so I like wobble the whole car. But just in case, I have 2 tires there, so hopefully I don't get crushed so much. I will survive, I hope. Well, let's get underneath. Yes, now I am under the car, and as you can see, this is where I need to disconnect. Here you have the flexible part, and up front you have the mandibles and the cats. So I need to remove this, and of course the 2 rubber things, and then I need to light. Here you see one part too, but this I will not remove. I think that I will take everything down, hopefully. There you have the second rubber. It's only 1 there and 2 up here, and then of course 2 more all the way in the back end where the silencer hangs. Yes, but let's start to see if we can get these to move. They look rusty as hell. Okay. Yes, let's see if we can start by adding some. No, I think we start with this brass brush. Yeah, let's let this work it in for 10-15 minutes, and then I come back. Yes, still under the car. We have trouble, because I have my son here. Say hello, Joseph. No, he doesn't say hello. Say hello to your friend.
Ja.
Oh, I meant that. Was it Carl?
Ja, precis.
Ah, yes. Hello, Carl. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Joseph told me that you subscribe. But that's not the problem. The problem now is these bolts up here. We can't move them. They are completely rusted shut. So we need to do it with one of these inside. Yeah, but for me to do that, of course, I need to start my compressor, and it's a very good compressor, but my brother has built it and it's noisy as bloody hell. It's very noisy. So I will start it and cut it, and then I will come back, because I can't make a video when I'm driving that thing. Or I can. I will try. See you in like 20 minutes, something like that. I told you! It's noisy as hell. But it's a very good compressor. But it's like feels like a battle tank. Now my son is suiting up too. Yes, my brother's welding mask. Yeah, as soon as the compressor is full, right? So, finally, we have the two bolts we have cut them now with the, what do you call it? Air compressor cutting device. I don't know, but they are cut now. And now we will try to, let's see if we can get on and take this apart, hopefully. Yes, and finally we have one bolt that actually we could loosen. But I see this bolt is much newer. Of course, they have changed the exhaust system at one point. Not that it matter for you watching this. It's just curiosa when I'm talking about my car. Not all cars are the same, of course. And that is the fun thing with cars. It's like they all have different personalities, and you never know what happens in the morning. I think that the engine sounds always changing. It's like it's like the car has different moods depending on the weather. I never know. It's always a new kind of vibration. Sometimes the gas throttle feels a little bit different, and yeah. It's never the same. I love that. I'm always thinking, oh, what will happen next? Oh, today, oh, we have a very good day. We're going very fast. Very good response on the throttle and everything. Yeah. Now we can see we have bad lighting like that. You see, it's loose now. And I need to just cut them off here. I can see now, you see the rubber, they have been repaired a lot. You can see they have like, I don't know what you call that in English. Call them band in Swedish, but they're very repaired. Well, I will just cut them. They're nothing. I need to save one black in the back because I only have 4 and I need 5. Yes, let's cut and pull this out. Yes, we managed to get it out. Get the old central silencer. And this is the replacement for it. It will be interesting now to see if we can fit it in. But I think I need to remove the next part too. I think I remove everything. Yeah, we go for total removal. We remove the whole exhaust system, all the 3 parts first. Okay, let's continue. Joseph, are you ready?
No, you not.
Oh, my son is very ready. He's my helping assistant today. He's very good. So, now, nothing in life is painless. And of course, we come to this steel band that connects the last part, the silencer, with the middle part. And of course, this is so badly rusted, and the not the bolt. I don't know. It has no edges left. I have to cut off everything and try to make some way so we can release it. And hopefully everything is still hanging. Yes, I think it is. Damn compressor is so bloody noisy. But hopefully it's and finally I managed to cut deep enough. So now I can bend this loose, I hope, and or maybe it's enough for me now. Maybe I can pull out the whole middle pipe now, because there is no more, you see, this is loose now, so there's no more pressure. Ah, yes, but I need both hands, and I will cut the rubber there, of course. Now, trying to. I'm so afraid I will destroy my camera too. Oh, come on now. Very slowly, millimeter by millimeter, and this is ridiculous. Okay, that was the worst thing so far, to get that piece of shit out of the silencer. Damn, it was so stuck in here, as you can see. But now we just need to remove the two rubber. No, that one we need to remove, and the one in there. Problem is, I need one of them to survive, because I have a on the 4 and I need one to survive, and that will be probably a lot of blood and sweat too. I'll try to save this one. Yes. There was no problem at all. They were very old. It was just when you have the rubber and take a small screwdriver and put it in from the hole behind out here, and then just bend the rubber. It was like putting on a condom, first backwards. No, look at my son. It's working good under the car. Good, Joseph. Good son. Okay. Yes, now the silencer is out, and well, it's a bit rusty. So, and we have the new one over there. But I think I will first try to put the new red rubber things on this. Joseph says it's hella difficult because he's still trying underneath. But I'll try in the back, put on too. Yes. This was a nightmare to fit that one. In the end, I had to do like a big scissor with, I think, one of these, and put it between two planks and like slowly squeeze them together to press that on. It was a nightmare. It took like 40 minutes, one rubber. But now we are ready to finally fit it in. With the help of my assistant, we managed to get it on. It was actually, it was very easy, because these arms do not have these mushroom hats. So we pushed it on both sides, but we still have, I think we have 2 centimeters more we can push it in. But we decided that we put on the middle pipe, the S pipe first, and then we see if we need to push everything inwards or correct it. Yes, let's do that. After a long and painful, procedure, we managed to have one of the old rubber things on the middle pipe. Here you see. And now Joseph is trying to get, you see, all the way over there and start secure the bolt. And me, in my end, up here, have managed to get both of the red rubber things on. And it's like a nightmare, but here the mushrooms, the mushroom ends, the hats, here they are more more pointy, so I could actually manage to like lubricate it and take a rubber hammer and punch it on. But that was impossible in the back end because the hat was completely flat and much wider, and I had to do the pressure things, and I have no good tools. But now I think we will try to put on the last pipe and find new bolts, and maybe we will soon be finished because we are so excited to be able to hear the sound. Yes. No, I was not supposed to say yes again. I said no. And now my very handy son is securing. Fuck. Don't say fuck. Fuck. He has already secured that one. The connection between the front pipe with no silencer and the S pipe, and now it's securing there. And my job now is to find new 2 more bolts to connect it. You can see it's already hanging. It's looking very good. Very cool. Straight pipe. No bloody silencer. So, but I will see if I can use the old gasket. I'm not sure. I will see, hopefully. Because it's getting late and I want to finish this, and I want to try and make loud noises. Yes. I can't believe it, but we're actually finished. 5 hours. But it's thankful I have a lot of help from my son. Was it fun? Ah, he didn't have fun, but I think he had a little bit of fun. But it's actually, it's finished now. We will just clean up everything, and then we will, of course, take the car down. And yeah, it looks good. I'm very excited. I will just clean up, do one small safety check. So everything looks okay, and everything is where it should be. Then we try it. I'm so excited. I hopefully it will be very noisy, and I hope that everyone will wake up in the whole neighborhood. Right?
Ja, absolut.
He can't say absolute. He needs to say absolutely, because we speak English now, not Swedish. And now we have the final result. This is actually the day after. It's Monday, because we finished so late, so we couldn't do the final clip. But now I have my lovely wife, very beautiful. She will help me. First, we will measure the decibel 1 meter behind when we're idling. But look how beautiful it is. 1 meter. A little bit more noisy. We were around 60 before. And let's not do now. My wife will go up to 5,000-6,000 RPM. Love? Love? Love, go up to 5,000. Thank you.